can say hello to everyone maybe. Hello, we're on the ferry and Fiona's been tasked to model already. It wasn't part of the contract, but I just thought I'd get a video done for tomorrow morning hopefully. So she's going to just sit for a quick watercolour sketch. We've got 9 minutes on the phone and we've just headed out from Cairnryan, on our way over to Belfast. Okay, right, have a good day, see ya. If you want to know more about me, have a look at the links below. I keep forgetting to say that. Okay. Yeah, so I like the way the light is falling on Fiona's face there. I was going to do a side profile, but I've decided against that now because when she turned towards me, I thought the contrast of light and dark is so much more appealing than the side profile was there. Okay. It's quite nice with the feeling of the boat meandering along. You can feel the motor. I'm just using some of the blue mixed into the skin colour to make a dark for the hair. It's especially dark over on this side here. And so the dark of the hair is able to outline the shape of the skin. I just have to close my eyes to make sure I'm getting it. Yeah, so I'm doing a workshop in Castlebar on Saturday and Sunday, and Fiona's going to model on Saturday, and we're staying with her mum and dad near Castlebar. Yeah. So it's a bit of an adventure for us, the two of us. Thelma and Louise heading off. Thelma and Louise with very, very, very good snacks. like really, Fiona's a great cook and you look after yourself very well, Fiona, don't you?
Food-wise, yeah.
Food-wise, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we've just had a really healthy breakfast. Like normally I'd be onto the fish and chips by now, but I might avoid them today. Feels like a kind of healthy retreat we're on. Okay. Yeah, what's for lunch actually? Coleslaw anyway, is it?
Got falafel and salad.
Falafel, oh yum! Oh, I'm definitely not going for the fish and chips. So.
Homemade sun-dried tomato hummus.
Oh, stop it. Actually, I remember that at Loch Tay, that was lovely. Okay. Yeah, you'd be getting jealous now, your mouth's watering.
I'm getting hungry.
Okay. Keep needing to check how much time I have. Okay, we're fine. Right, so I'm going to use the yellow ochre in the neck as well to darken the shadows on the skin there. And actually, you know, in this month's Artist and Illustrator magazine, there's the picture of Fiona done step by step. I forgot to say that to you. It's out now, I think. Yeah. I didn't see it yet myself. Well, I'm assuming it's out. I think anyway. Yeah.
Do they have it like in mainstream supermarkets?
Well, yeah, like I got it in the airport the last time at WH Smith, but they used to have it in Tesco, but I haven't seen it there, or in Sainsbury's. I haven't seen it there the last few months. Maybe it's just been selling out, you know, seeing as I'm in it. This is seriously vain. Anyway, no, I'll stop that now. But that painting actually wasn't that great, was it? I think it looked better in Jim's photographs. He made it look good. Okay. Alright, so I'm just going to half close my eyes now and find the shadows and the features of the face. You know what this is going to be? This is a real challenge now. Paint a smiling figure. That's your job today. Let's see how I get on with it. And let's see how you get on with it.
Keep smiling.
Maintaining this now for another 5 minutes. No bother to you. You can even forget really that it's a face that you're painting, a lovely face, and you can just see the darks and lights as a way of identifying the smile, and as a way of identifying the position of the features and everything. If you just find the darks and lights like jigsaw pieces fitting together, it'll create the form of the face. Okay. Yeah. And I think less is more when we're explaining something like a smile. It's quite good to just be as succinct as you possibly can and just put in what's necessary, what's absolutely essential, and leave out any extra marks. I guess we do need to have some sort of evidence of a bottom lip there, so. And I think cerulean blue is a good colour for the teeth, at least on the shadow side. See what I mean? I don't know if you've been able to see that all the time. You'll be covering it after. Yeah, and you can kind of keep yourself moving around the picture plane as well, rather than just settling. I'm talking to them now.
Yeah, I know. I went
You stay
to
still. You did, didn't you? Jeez, you're very obedient. I feel in a dangerous position of power here.
I'm thinking of all the things I'm grateful for that's keeping the smile on my face.
Oh. See, that's a very good practice now. You tell your models to think of all the things they're grateful for when you're trying to get them to grimace at you for half an hour. It's a good practice, that gratitude thing, isn't it?
Yeah.
Like really, it can shift things big time. Okay, so I'm just finding those points of intersection that to me represent the face more clearly. So the darks of the eyebrows, and maybe bringing the same dark up again into the hair where it meets the skin of the face. So the dark of the eyebrows, something dark in the shadow underneath the nose, corner of the mouth there as she's smiling, and then the dark that anchors down underneath the chin. There's lovely light in the chin, and then there's this dark that's beneath that. And still rolling, I think. Oh yeah. And I want to identify the eyes a little bit, just put something in there. Yeah, doing the usual thing, saying I'm going to do one thing and then do something totally opposite. And back up here. Just going to corner off there. Yeah, I think the smile is affecting your eyes as well, so keep smiling. So what are you on to now? What are you grateful for now? Great friends.
Yeah, great friends. A nice trip. Exciting weekend. Yeah.
Typical me, isn't it? Bring it back to me. Sorry, carry on. Trees.
Yeah.
Ah, that's very
Nice
appropriate.
place to live. A home, roof over my head.
All the important stuff.
Yeah.
See, much more than a painting exercise this.
Deep philosophical exploration.
It's all free, yeah, it's great. Okay. And better still, it's maintaining that lovely smile.
Yeah.
Okay. It's not exactly the smile that's in front of me, but it looks as though your mouth is closed in my painting, but it's kind of working, so I'm just going to leave that. And I think that's kind of not a bad philosophy either, is it? When something works, just leave it alone.
Yeah.
Maybe. I I guess every situation is to be taken on its own merit. Oh yeah, so almost time up now. I might just indicate something of that lovely blue strap there. Yeah, there she is. Right, so there's Fiona, I think. And yeah, thanks very much for joining us. Enjoy. Bye. See ya.